Hi, welcome to Intro to Excel Lesson 7. Here we'll be using some formulas other than adding up, multiplying, subtracting and dividing. First of all, we will do a little auto summing. We need to add up Bob's figures here. Notice there's no data in row 5, his Thursday figure. When we hit the auto sum button up the top, the dots don't circle all the data, they stop as soon as they get to an empty cell. So reselecting the data from B2 to B6 confirms the area we want to add up. Hitting the auto sum a second time gives us an answer of 106. The formula bar says it equals the sum of B2 to B6. Filling that across gives us the same answer for Bill. When you're adding up, nothing and zero add up to the same. To write an average formula, we write equals average, open the brackets, and we want to average everything between B2 and B6. It's not case sensitive, it could be capital B or lowercase b, won't make any difference. You can see it's colour coded the cell references to those cells. Hitting the enter key or the tick, and we're hitting the enter key, will give us an answer of 26.5. If I fill that across to the far side of column C, we get a different answer for Bill. The difference is it did not average cell B5, even though we've told it to average B2 to B6. There was nothing in B5 to average, whereas over here in Bill's column it was averaging C2 to C6. It could average C5 because there was a 0 there. The same will happen when we try to count how many cells have numbers in them. Equals count, open the brackets, B2 colon B6, close the brackets. When I hit the enter key I get an answer of 4. There were 4 cells between B2 and B6 with numbers in them, and when I fill them across I get an answer of 5 for Bill. To find the max, the largest, the most, the formulas equals max, open brackets, B2 colon B6, close the brackets. Again the cell references are colour coded blue. Hitting the enter key gives me an answer of 45. It equals the maximum number between B2 and B6, 45. When I fill it across, get the same answer for Bill. To find the minimum, the smallest, the least, the formulas equals min, open the brackets, B2 colon B6, close the brackets. Never put a space into a formula. Hitting the enter key gives me an answer of 12. Bill's smallest figure for the week was 12. When I fill it across, Bob's smallest figure was 12, sorry, Bill's smallest figure is 0. On the average worksheet just next door, if we want to add up the figures for this year, hitting the auto sum button when I'm in cell B10, notice the dots don't go past row 5, and that's exactly what we want them to do here. We don't want them to circle the year. That would give us $2,002 extra. Hitting the auto sum gives me the answer. Filling it across gives me a funny answer in column C. That's because the column's not quite wide enough. If I double click the divide, it will become wider. And if I wanted to work out the average over that 3-year period, it equals average, open the brackets, and that's between B5 colon D5, close the bracket. Again it's colour coded the cell references with the formula. When I get an answer that's got decimal numbers in, I may not want that for a company's figures down to the nearest cent. This button up here is the decrease the decimal button. Tapping that one converts it down to a nearest whole number. If I fill it down all the way to row 10, we get a funny answer in row 9. It's the average of B9 to D9. There's nothing in between B9 and D9. That's why the answer's so confusing. I'm just going to delete that with the delete key.